Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've launched VLC and you're ready to change the interface language. First, open the Tools menu and choose Preferences or press Ctrl+P to jump straight into Settings. You do this because language controls live under the Interface group. They aren't in Playback or Advanced sections. Once the Preferences window appears, make sure Simple Settings view is active so you see interface options immediately. This prevents digging through advanced panels and gets you to the language selector fast. Now you select the new language. In the interface area, find the language drop-down and pick the desired locale, for example, Spanish, French, or Chinese. You should do this because VLC stores interface strings by locale. Selecting one swaps menus and tooltips immediately after reload. Once chosen, click Save at the bottom of the Preferences window. Make sure to note that some translations apply only after a restart, so prepare to close and reopen VLC to see every menu change. To finish, close VLC completely, use Task Manager if needed, then reopen it so the program loads the selected language pack. You want to verify menus, dialog boxes, and subtitle selection labels now display in the new language. This confirms the change applied system-wide. If anything still appears in the old language, make sure Simple View was used, repeat selection, and save again. As a troubleshooting tip, if the language won't stick, back up and delete VLCRC preferences or reinstall VLC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.